How to get bubble wrap builds Fortnite full guide. Most people get this wrong, but bubble wrap builds in Fortnite are easier to obtain than they think. You won't believe how this fun cosmetic can be added to your collection with a few simple steps. First, open Fortnite and go to the item shop. Bubble wrap builds are often featured in limited time packs or bundles. Check the latest shop rotation and see if the bubble wrap cosmetic is available for purchase. Next, ensure your account has enough V-Bucks. Bubble wrap builds typically cost between 500 to 1,500 V-Bucks depending on the set. If you're low, purchase V-Bucks through the official Fortnite store. Once you have the currency, click on the bubble wrap bundle and select purchase. Confirm the transaction and the item will be added directly to your locker. You can equip it from the locker before heading into a match. Some players think you need special challenges or achievements to unlock bubble wrap builds, but the surprising truth is they are usually purely cosmetic purchases from the item shop. Keep an eye on seasonal events as Epic Games occasionally releases them for free. In conclusion, getting bubble wrap builds in Fortnite involves checking the item shop, ensuring you have enough V-Bucks, purchasing the bundle, and equipping it in your locker. With this guide, you'll have the fun, bubble popping style ready for your next game.